And just like for the customer, the insert, update, and delete will be functions because we will return a boolean whether the functionality succeeded. So let's create first the insert, so it's gonna be public function that's gonna be called insert, and we pass in all the items that we need for the appointment. So we pass in the type ID, that's the appointment type, that's gonna be short. We pass in the description, which is gonna be a string. Then we have the licensed property, whether the repairman has to be licensed, and that is a boolean, yes or no. Then we have the customer ID that this appointment belongs to, so that's a short. And then we have the schedule, so the time when the appointment was scheduled for, and that is of type datetime. And like I said, this will return a boolean whether the insert succeeded or not. So let's wrap everything in a try catch, and in the try we can go to our adapter dot insert, and here we will insert everything in the appointment. And look at it, it's asking for the type ID, description, license, customer ID, and scheduled. So we will simply pass everything in. So we'll have the type ID, then we have the description, the licensed, customer ID, and scheduled. And then, if everything succeeded, of course, we will return true. However, if something goes wrong, then we'll grab the exception, and we can simply set the last error to the message for the exception. And we can specify, just like we did for the customer here, that the insert failed. So I'm just gonna copy this whole thing and paste it right here, but instead of a new customer, we failed to insert new appointment. And display the reason, and of course return false because this is an exception. So this is the insert. Next, let's do the update.